In this video, I will describe how you will use Adobe Spark Page to create a website project for your TEM 474 or 574 group project. You will go to spark.adobe.com. We recommend that you use the Firefox or the Chrome browser in order to get the full functionality of Adobe Spark. And you will log on using the credentials that your instructor has given you. Logged on using those credentials, you will see a website project started for Group 1 and for Group 2. To edit them, you will choose the appropriate project for your group, and when you mouse over the picture, you will see the Edit button. Just click on that button. Once you're in this page, if you scroll down, you will see the theories and the distilleries associated with your group, and you will be able to add content to your page. In order to add content, you will click on the plus button where you would like to add more content, and you will have the option to add photos, text, a button that links to another site, video like the Spark videos that you made during your distillery visits, or a photo grid. For the purpose of this project, I recommend that you stay away from the glide show unless you're really good at website design. I'll start by showing you how to add a photo. To add a photo, you click on the photo icon and this opens up. You can either find a photo that's free, or you can upload a photo that you took. I'll upload a photo that I took by clicking on this button. It takes me to my pictures. I find the picture that I would like to add, and here it is. This is actually a picture of Castle and Key Distillery. I have the option of making this picture fill the entire screen, or be in line with my text, or be a narrow little window, or be the full width, or if I decide that I don't like this picture, I can either delete it or I can replace it with a different one. Next, I'll show you how to add text. To add text, again, you click the plus where you want your text to be, and you choose text. That opens up a place for you to type. You can type everything that you want to type in Word and copy and paste it here, or you can just type freestyle here. While you're typing, if you click back over where you've typed, or if you highlight a section of your typing, you'll have the option to edit it as header, which makes the text that big, header 2, which makes it medium-sized, or just regular. You can put in bullets or a numbered list. You can make the text bold or italics. You can center the text or right justify it. Or you can use this icon to add a link to whatever text is highlighted. So if I want this text right here to link to Yahoo, I just type in the URL, and now that text is a link. If I want to edit the text that I've already typed, I can just click wherever I want to edit, and I can take out the link or take out any formatting by re-clicking on the icons that I used to put it there. Next, I'll show you how to put in a link using a button. I click the plus sign, I click the button icon, and I can add text to the button. And then here I put in the URL where I want the button to go. Here I can decide whether I want the button to be on the left, in the middle, or on the right. I'll put it in the middle. Once I'm done, I click Save, and here is my button in the middle. If I want to edit the button, I click on it, and I get the Edit option, so I can change the text of the button, the link to the button, or change the position of the button. If I decide I don't want the button there, I can click on it and click Delete. Next, I'll show you how to add a video. I click on the plus and I choose the video button. I get a place for an embedded video, and I can add the embed code either from a YouTube video or from a Spark video. So if you're trying to add your Spark videos that you created, you would just go to your Spark video, click the share link, and choose the embed code, and you would copy and paste it right here. When you're done, you click Save. Finally, I'll show you how to add a photo grid. To add a photo grid, you click on the plus and you click Photo Grid. This is going to allow you to put a bunch of pictures in one place. In case you took a whole bunch of pictures during one of your visits that you'd like to include all of them, you can click Upload to choose your videos. In this case, I'll demonstrate finding some videos since I don't have a bunch of pictures of distilleries. So I'll just type in bourbon. And I get a bunch of pictures of bourbon and one picture of a dog, which must have been named Bourbon. So I'll just choose the pictures that I want to put in. And you can see how it adds them in a grid pattern that it controls. If I want to edit that grid, then I click on one of the pictures and I can move that picture over. Or I can say that I want it to be a large picture, or I can say it needs to be a smaller one, or I can click Replace if I decide I don't like that one, or I can click Delete if I decide I don't like that one. I can't control the actual grid though. The program itself controls the grid. And that is what you will do for each one of the topics that you are required to put into your presentation. Click the plus to add whatever content you want.